So this is going to be probably the quickest video I've ever done. I did not get as much video of me actually tweezing my brows as I'd like, almost none, but I'm going to show you the important parts because you guys know how to tweeze hair, but the tricks that I use so I don't over tweeze too much. Now I just did a little tutorial, so I had some brow pencil in my brows, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a nude pencil and I'm going to map out like how they would map out your brows, like if you were gonna get them microbladed or shaded in, kind of where your arch should be, the front of your brow and the tail end, and then I'm gonna kind of connect them. And it's kind of like the same thing you do when you're shaping your brows with concealer when you're doing your makeup. And I am just going to tweeze all of that portion, all of the hairs that are in the nude pencils area. So that's basically what I did. And then I'm using a wipe just to wipe away so I can see if there's any hairs left over. And that's about it, guys. I had to clean up the hairs. It was getting on my nerves too much. So I hope this was helpful, even though it's super short and quick. Let me know if you want to see an in-depth tutorial. And I think I have a brow lamination video coming up. Laminating your brows at home, dyeing your brows at home. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.